Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Costco purchase history and digital receipts in the app. So first of all, you need to launch your Costco application, then log in into your account. Now inside your Costco application, you just have to simply tap on the option of menu, which is going to be at the bottom of the screen. So then you just have to go to the membership section and look for the option of orders and returns or orders and purchases. So over here you can find both your Costco.com orders and your in-warehouse purchases, which are linked to your verified membership. Now for a wholesale purchase, you can open a transaction that you want to check, and then you can select the receipt to view the purchase details. Costco keeps in warehouse receipts for up to 2 years with the history displayed in the 6 months period. So the new warehouse purchases can take up to 24 hours to appear over here on this particular section. So don't worry if a transaction you made today isn't showing here immediately. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.